Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I'm back in the van again, and I was gonna go put the solar panels on the roof because my second solar panel came in. Now I have 3 solar panels. I'm gonna see if I can get all 3 of them on the roof. I don't know if that's possible, but we'll see. So first, I was gonna go through and since it was raining, I went through and grinded all of the spots that I needed to put a metal bar in, and we're going to weld it in place. Got an appointment on Monday, so we're just getting this prepped and ready to go. I decided that since it was raining outside that I'd just come work inside the van. So I went ahead and took a drill bit and drilled out these spot welds. There's 2, 4, 6 of them, and I've got 4 more to go. I've already popped these 2 off camera. So we're going to go through and we're going to go and pop the other 4 spot welds. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and cut this with the death wheel. I've already got it all set up and ready to go with the cutoff wheel. Got some safety goggles ready to go. And we're just going to go ahead and do it. And hopefully the rain stops and we can go back outside, put the roof racks on, drill some holes, mount the solar panels, put those up, get it all ready to go. Now when the top's done, I'm just going to go ahead and chop it off down here and it should be coming up pretty easy. I've got a bunch of clean stuff to clean up, and probably put a little bit of rust protection primer on here, and we'll get this all cleaned up with the drill. File that down so it's not sharp because okay, now that that's all done, I'm gonna clean it up, but this is pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this board sit across here like this from front to the back. It's going to be welded in place, and I'm going to have seat belts bolted to this metal bar so that I can have 2 passengers back here. Now I'd like this bar to be secure, thick, and strong, so I'm going to have the professionals put it in because I don't have a welder, I don't have anybody who has a welder, so we're going to have the guys put it in. Welded in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, and that should be plenty strong to hold thousands of pounds. I told him it needs to hold thousands of pounds off this metal bar. Once that's in, we can start insulating. Later on, I'm going to cut a hole, put a window in here, and that's in the house ready to go. We've just got a few more things we're going to do before we put the window in. Okay, so I've got an umbrella. I'm going to stay out of the rain because it's just not going to stop raining. It's just the weather's just not going to cooperate. But it's not a big deal because I'm just going to drill some holes and get the roof rack mounted on the van with the solar panels attached. Or put the roof racks on and then attach the solar panels. I'm not sure. We'll see how heavy this contraption is. It shouldn't be too heavy. If it is too heavy, maybe I'll ask for some help. But let's get started. We're going to drill some holes. I'm going to start with a pilot hole. I'm going to move up to a 11 and 32 drill bit, which seems like it's thick enough. But if not, I'll step up one bigger and go to, I think this is a 3/8. Let's kind of grind it off. Yeah, 3/8. I got 2 drill bits, 3/8, and those are definitely wider than that larger drill bit there. So we're gonna just get started. I've already went ahead and marked 3 holes on each part of the solar panel and where the holes are gonna go on the roof rack. So I'm just gonna get started and start drilling some holes. And then we'll repeat the process on the other side.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like?
I couldn't have asked for anything better. That's perfect. I'm wondering if I should put a lock washer on here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to mark each one of these holes so that I can get exactly the center on every single one, because I don't want to have any flex when I put the. So we'll see how it goes. If worse comes to worse, I'll drill out these roof rack holes a little bit bigger so there's a little bit of play, and we'll put them on and test fit it and see how it works. Okay, I've marked all my holes. I'm gonna go ahead and drill them out with a small drill bit to start. Now that I got the proper drill bit, okay, hopefully everything goes right and everything works. So give it a I think that will work. I'm happy with that. Let's get the other ones done. That works so well. I'm very happy with that. Okay, a couple of them are a little tight, so I'm just gonna bore out the holes a little bit. That is pretty heavy. This one is done. Set it off to the side. All right, this next part's gonna be a little bit tricky because I've got to use a level to find 10 degrees. So once I find that 10 degrees, that's where the roof rack's gotta sit. So what I've got to do is I got to make sure this bolt goes in this direction at the exact angle that I need to. But I think I'm going to have a little bit more bigger hole so that there's extra play when I bolt it up. And then when I'll get the roof rack mounted on the roof of the van, I'll have the roof rack loose. I'll put the bolts in and then bolt the roof rack to the van and then tighten everything up. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully this works, crossing my fingers that I do this right.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll allow you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay.
Now we've got all of the holes holes drilled out, and it looks like everything's good. A little bit of stop, which is exactly what I was looking for. Looks like it is exactly at that 10-degree angle I was looking at. So I'm going to take it all out to the front and mount it on the van now. Now what I should have done was put cardboard on the roof underneath the wood planks. But what I did is I put the boards down so that I could press the solar panels on so that I could screw them into the roof rack before I put the feet on the roof rack. It's kind of like a step 1, step 2, step 3 kind of thing. So first off is I first took the 3 bolts on the driver's side of the rear solar panel, and then when I was done that, I moved on to the forward 3 bolts. I also added a little bit of blue thread lock to each one bolt with a lock washer as well. When I finished those 3 bolts, I then slid the solar panel over to the driver's side and then put the passenger solar panel on. Then I repeated the same steps on the passenger side, putting in the same 3 bolts in the front and the 3 bolts in the rear with blue thread lock to make sure that nothing just vibrated loose.
Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. Don't play with my heart. Just let me go. Please let me go. You like to love so hard and then you throw it away. You like to open scars and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why do you love so hard and then just throw it away? You open up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me.
So I'm just about done. I've just got to put the brackets mounting it to the roof and then tighten all the bolts, and then it will be good to go. So I'm just going to put you on a time lapse and get this over and done with, because I got to get this over and done with. Get ready for tomorrow morning because we're going to get the transmission fixed. It was a wiring harness, so once that wiring harness is in, the leak should stop. So let's get to it. Let's get everything bolted on.
Your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You make me love so hard, but then you throw it away. You like to open scars, and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard, and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't you blame it on me.
Well, that's it, guys. It's done. I'm ready for bed. I'm gonna go get cleaned up and we're gonna put everything away. It's getting dark and I had to get everything bolted up and ready to go because the van is going in to get the transmission fixed. So stay tuned, because not this next episode, but in the following episodes, I'm gonna be wiring those solar panels to the van and getting everything buttoned up. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to follow along for when I do wire up the solar. You guys can actually get those notifications. Peace out. Thanks for watching.
Open